This video is all about making RC car using NodeMCU, Blynk IoT application and L298 motor driver. So everything is shown in detail, including circuit diagram, code, Blynk configuration and everything else, like whatever you need. So stick till the end and understand full concept. So you need a Blynk account, so I have logged into the Blynk website. So we need to create account. So we'll create account first and then we'll continue with the remaining part. Here is the code, you can see. You'll get this code in the description below. If you know the basic configuration and if you know the things which are shown in the video, you can skip the part and continue with the next part. So timeline is given in the description of the video, so you can click on that and continue. So first of all, we need a Gmail account, and after having a Gmail account, we need to create a account in Blynk. So here is my email. I'm using this email for now. And this is the Blynk website. We'll click on sign up option and enter our email. So if you know the basic things like how to sign up, you can skip this part and continue. I'm just entering my email and I will show you the detailed step. Just click on sign up, you'll get the email, then go to email and verify the account. So here is the email, verification link, click on that setup and then it will ask you for the remaining details to create an account in Blynk. So we'll wait for that, it's loading. And do not worry about the time. If you know basic things, just you can skip the part and continue, but this video display you everything in detail, including code, Blynk app setup in laptop, mobile, as well as how to upload and verify, how to download libraries, everything. So I'm just entering the details to sign up into the Blynk account for now. Okay, continuing with the process. So you can select any from here. And now, just close this. Here you need to focus on only one thing, that is developer zone. You have to work on developer zone only. Click on that and click on new template option over there and just enter the name for your Wi-Fi control car. So I'm just typing the name and you need to select ESP8266. Oh, it's logged out, so I need to log in again. No worries, just enter your email and password which you have created earlier and log into the system. Session time out. Again, go to developer zone, only you have to work over there. Click on new template and enter the name for the Wi-Fi card. And from the after typing the name, so I'm typing the name for my project. Okay, now from here ESP8266 you need to select. That is very important because we are using that device and Wi-Fi. And yeah, ESP8266 one. And description you can write or you can leave blank. Click on save. After saving, your template is ready and click on that save button, very necessary, very important. Okay, after saving that, then you need to go to data stream option and then from here click on that edit option, new data stream option, click on that and click on virtual pin. We'll use the virtual pin to control our RC car. In NodeMCU we'll use digital pin, here we'll use virtual pin for the connection. Just click on that and click on save. You do not need to change anything. Everything is there. V0 and data type is integer and values minimum maximum is 0 and 1 to turn it on, turn on the motor and turn off the motor. 0 and 1, 0 for off, 1 for on. You do not need to change anything, just for the understanding purpose. Click on create. Just like that you can create multiple virtual pins. In the same way, click on new data stream, plus icon over there and click on virtual pin again. And after clicking on that, skip the name same as it is, V0, V1, V2, V3, V4. 2 pins are created, now third is also created, V2, and then keep same, 4. The 4 pins we just created is enough to run the car forward, backward, left and right. And if you want to create more, so you can do that. Actually in second version of code, I use V4 pin to leave the buzzer as on, and V5 pin for the front light and V6 pin for the backlight in my RC car. So you can create those pins also and you can upload the code, second version of code. I'll give you the code in the description below. So after adding the data stream P4, P5, V6, here is the data stream 3. So just don't forget to click on the save button if you are editing it like this. Save and apply. I have created the template. Just now we have created it. Click on the from template option. So you need to select the template which you have created earlier. This video is recorded in different making process, so the same name is not displaying here, but the process is same. Whatever you have written the name earlier, just select that and click on create option. Now this information you can see here, you have to copy this information, keep it safe, so you need to put this in your code. After saving, again click on the developer zone. You can see the device name which you have created earlier. Click on that, and from here also you can see the code information. What you need to paste in the code is there. You can copy that from here, and one more thing you required if you have not copied it earlier. Okay, so there you can see the code at the top. You need to paste that. So here's the complete code. You can just see it once and try to understand. This three lines you need to replace with the code copied earlier from the Blynk. So if you have copied only 2 lines like this, you have not copied the auth token, then no worries. I'll show you how to copy the auth token separately. So first paste the 2 lines, and then I'll show you how to copy that auth token and replace that. So let's go to the screen here, and you can see this is scroll it, and you can see this auth token and copy option is there. Just click on that. It is copied now. You can paste it over here in the code. Just select the text in the auth token here, just like this, and replace it or paste it, and it's done. Code is ready. Now Wi-Fi car, I have set up the hotspot or Wi-Fi name as Wi-Fi car and Wi-Fi car 1 2 3. So this is the Wi-Fi name and password I have configured in my device, showing you here. Just look at here in the setting. So you have to keep the same Wi-Fi, hotspot, anything like the same. Whatever you are pasting in your code, you can change it according to your need. You can give it from your laptop or from your mobile, just the same name you have to write, and you have to set up like this. And if your device is connected to this Wi-Fi network, when you turn on the device RC car, then it works fine. Even if your mobile is connected to the data or the same Wi-Fi or the another Wi-Fi, doesn't matter, but you should configure this Wi-Fi name and password or hotspot name and password. So when you switch on your RC card, it will be connected to this network, and then you can operate it. Let's try to compile the code. So I'm clicking on the verify option or compile option. This is getting compiled. So if there is no error, it won't show. But if we get error, then we need to check the code. But there is no error in the code. But if you face any problem, whatever you can face, I will show you there in the detail. So if you are first time user and if you have not configured ESP8266 library and not Blynk library, if you have not installed it, you have to install before you compile the code, so it won't give error. So it is getting compiled. So let me see if it gives error or not. Here we get the error, so you can read the error message as well, and it is showing highlighting the ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. This may happen because you have not installed the library, or maybe you have not selected the code from here. Before compiling, you have to select this ESP8266 and the option over here, NodeMCU 1.0 12E. After selecting the board, again click on the compile option, verify the code, and yeah, there is no error this time. It is showing the success message just like that. But if still you get error, the ESP8266 or Blynk, then you need to go to tools option, and before installing the libraries, you need to go to file preferences option, and here you need to paste the link. I will provide the same link in the description. You can copy and paste it over here soon there. So after pasting it, go to then tools and library, manage library, and then you can install the library for ESP8266. After pasting, save, click on OK button to save. You need to install the libraries, manage libraries, and the pop-up will come and you will search for both the libraries and install it. Follow the instruction given in the video. Type ESP8266 and search for the specific one which works. So I am looking for that. So okay, here is the one. I have already installed it. You can read the name and the details over there and select the version and install it. I have already installed, so I do not need to install it again. This one you need to install, the specific one. Now search for Blynk to communicate with the Blynk IoT app. So I'm searching for it. Scroll up and down to find the specific one which you are looking for. Okay, this is the one. Read the description, provider, name and get it, you won't get it after these steps, following the steps. After installing the library, you can verify that by going to the tools option and then board. Here you can see the option. After going to the board option, you can see ESP8266 option over there, and you can select the board like this. Now connect NodeMCU ESP8266 to your laptop, and you can see the port over here and select that port. After connecting, you can use type B or type C cable based on your NodeMCU which you have bought, and select the board again. Make sure you selected that, and then you can go to upload the code. Final step, click on that upload button to upload the code. It takes some time, so wait for that. After you click, it will start compiling, and then the uploading process begins from here. Code is successfully updated, now 100% showing there, and resetting pin. So wait for a few seconds and disconnect the cable, and you are done uploading the code. You can read the message done uploading. Message is also written there. Let's begin with the connecting hardware component. So we will connect L298 motor driver with NodeMCU. So the connection pins are shown over there. Use female to female jumper wire to connect the cables according to the circuit diagram, or you can see in the screen also. Pins are written there. You can just connect it accordingly. So IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, 4 pins are used to control the resistance, and the EA, ENA and ENB is used to control the speed of the RC car. So connection is almost done. Place the pins that are mentioned there in the hardware and connect accordingly. Don't make any mess. Now let's connect the motor driver L298 to the battery. So I'll use red wire to the switch, and from the switch I will connect to the 12B and ground pin to the ground pin in motor driver. So now you can use switch to turn the motor driver on and off. This is how you place the motors in the chassis. So red wire at the top and black wire at the bottom, both the side, and they are facing each other. So this is how you place it, and we'll make the connection later. Now I have taken upper red wire and the lower black wire from different motor and push to that, and in the same way other side. So one red wire upper and the black wire from another motor lower. So you can see the diagram how to connect the motors. So upper red wire and the lower black wire together, and upper red wire and lower black wire together. You can see the connection from motors to motor driver, out 3 and out 4 pin. One red and black combination goes to out 3, one red and black combination goes to out 4. In the same way other side, one combination of red and black wire goes to out 1, and one combination of red and black wire goes to out 2. This is how you connect the motors to the motor driver. Observe in V0, V1, V2 and V3, very important to move the car, so manage it according to this. Other pins are for light and horn, so if you do not connect it, it works fine. Earlier I have powered only L298 motor driver, so to power on the NodeMCU from motor driver itself, there is 5V pin. You have to connect it in 3V pin in NodeMCU from 5V of L298 and to 3V in motor driver, and GND pin in the middle one goes to GND in NodeMCU to make common, so it works fine. Now finally testing time. So go forward, come backward, this is left, turn right. This is working perfectly fine. If you have uploaded the second version of code, you can use those extra buttons to light on and off and horn. You can try that as well if you have uploaded another version of the code.